kids. Today we're going to be doing the Blindfolded Slime Challenge. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Okay, blindfolded and we're going to choose our ingredients. Okay, are you excited?
Yeah!
Okay, let's get started.
Yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors. Okay, Kash gets to choose first.
Me.
Choose one. This one? You want which one over here? This one?
No
Or this
looking.
one?
I want this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open our eyes.
Oh, I found it.
Oh, you got the white one. I got the clear one. Kash got the
What
choose
one?
the white one. Okay, let's pour it out. You need help with yours? No? Okay. Whoa! You need help?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll help you. Let's take this one. Oh, it's kind of tight. Oh. Okay, I got it.
Come here.
There you go. Squeeze it out. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, look at this guy. Breathe.
Is that it? I think I got everything out of mine. Did you get everything out of yours? Round 2, guys. You have to close your eyes again. Okay, I'm gonna put mine on. Okay, I'm excited.
Okay, ready?
Give it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Again. Oh.
Yeah. Oh, I have the white one again.
That means I got the clear one again.
I can have the good one.
Okay, let's put it in the buckets. Here's your bucket.
Thank you.
Whoa, you were good with that one. Thank you. I'm excited.
And
Whoa!
whoa. Oh, you have the water in there.
I think it's just glue. Whoa!
Mine glue first. Whoa! Whoa!
I think I got all of mine.
Me too.
You too? Okay.
Put them back now.
Whoa. Okay, that's it. Now I'm gonna blindfold you and we're gonna choose the glitter. Are you excited?
Yeah!
Okay, we get to choose one glitter each round, okay? Until we both have equal glitter, 4 each, okay?
Yeah!
Okay, we're gonna blindfold you now, okay?
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna blindfold myself. And you wanna do rock, paper, scissors? Who goes first? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot!
Caught you!
Oh, man. Okay, you get to go first. Choose one. Okay, my turn. I'll choose one.
I'll choose the red one.
Are you peeking?
No. I'll choose the red one.
You're peeking! It's my turn, guys, to choose one. So I'm gonna...
One paper, shoot.
But you already choose yours. Okay. I got this one. Whatever color this is. Okay, you get to choose one now. Kurious, Kash. You chose one?
No.
You got one?
I have the green one.
I got this one, guys. I chose this one. Okay, your turn, Kurious, Kash.
Okay.
Whoa.
Where is it?
Let me help you? Okay, they're right over here.
Okay.
Did you get one?
Yeah.
Okay, it's my turn now.
I have the blue one.
Are you peeking? I'm gonna choose this one, whatever color this is.
Bam.
Okay, you choose one now.
Okay.
And I think I have the last one. Let's open our eyes now.
Yeah.
Oh! What color did you get? Show me again.
Brown, blue, green, red.
Okay. I got a purple, a multicolored, a silver, and a white. The glitter in mine now purple.
I can mix mine.
Whoa.
Oh, this is my red. That my
I want mine to be really purple, so I'm gonna put a lot of glitter.
Mine could be better than yours.
It's gonna be better than mine?
Yes.
Oh, that's not nice. I'm gonna mix mine first. Whoa!
Oh! I have to get in there.
You have glitter in yours?
Yes.
Yes.
I don't want anything that.
Okay, I'm gonna put, I think I like the white one too.
Okay. I'm gonna put it in mine.
More green?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, how do we open this? Oh, got it. Ooh, it's so pretty.
Okay. Oh, to put on this.
Oh, that's okay, right? Whoa.
Okay, let's mix it,
Okay,
guys.
let's mix it.
It's gonna be very green.
Very green?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm trying to go for mine to be a purplish pink.
More?
Okay. That's what that means. Okay, let's put on the spatula. Not put on the spatula, put in the glue. Yeah, good job. You done now?
No.
I think it's whoa, it's a lot of glitter. It's almost done.
Oh.
That's okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna put some of my silver in now.
Wow.
Whoa. For the colors now?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I'm ready too.
I want you the red one.
The red one? Okay.
Super me, guys.
Okay, only put a couple drops, okay? 1, 2, 3. Good job, good job. Oh, look guys, they got slimes. Okay, here you go. You can mix yours together now, right?
It's gonna be really red.
Red?
Yeah. What red?
Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa, okay, I'll put this over here for you, okay?
Okay.
It's covered in your slime. Okay, I don't know what color I want then.
You don't know what the...
I'll take the blue one, yeah.
Yeah. I don't mind. Give me the red one.
Oh, can I have red too, actually?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put some. 1, 2, 3,
Okay, that's
4, 5. You want some red too? I'll help you.
I have me for...
Okay.
Yeah.
Ugh, my hands are really gluey now.
Me too.
Okay, 1,
Me
2,
too.
3.
Oh, guys, do you see mine? Do you see mine too? Oh, wow, that's cool. Wow! Wow. Oh, give me yours. Yeah, I'm gonna help you mix yours. Okay.
More red glitter? Whoa. Ooh. Okay. A little more purpley than I would.
No, don't put it. Whoa, guys.
Okay.
Guys. Whoa!
I put some blue in mine. Whoa.
Now it's time to put waters
Okay, what do you want to put now?
on this one.
What do we have? Okay, it's time to bond it together. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, mine's kind of a darkish purple now.
Me
What's
too.
yours? You're just not mixed together yet. Mix yours.
Oh.
You need help?
Okay.
Gotta
Yeah.
get every corner. Okay.
Mine's pretty on yours.
Yours is prettier than mine. It's probably right. Look how yours is so pink, right?
You're too pink on yours.
Yeah. Okay. I think my slime's ready to move on to the next step.
Me too.
I don't know. You need to kind of mix more.
Get over here.
Okay, I think mine's ready for the next step, so I'm gonna add the contact lens cleaner. Okay, Kurious Kash thinks he's ready too. We're gonna... Whoa! You guys see that?
She don't add too much. You don't know how much is supposed to be.
Whoa! Ugh, keep mixing. Oh, do you need help, Kurious Kash?
Yeah.
It's okay to ask for help. Good job. Okay. There you go.
Cute.
Only put a little bit, okay? A little bit at a time. It's okay, squeeze now.
I'll take it from it.
Okay. Now mix.
Mm-hmm.
Mix too.
This one with consequence in his. I'm gonna help you a little bit, okay? It's good.
Oh!
Okay, that's it.
Look at it. Look at mine.
Whoa.
See, mine's pretty. Oh, look yours.
Like mine's?
Pretty. Okay, now we put
Which one do you want now?
colors.
More colors?
Yeah.
Fine, just a little bit. Which color did you want?
I want the blue one.
The blue one?
Yeah, because I'm not sure blue.
Okay, he wants blue.
Guys,
Okay, Kash didn't like his pink, so he's trying to make it into a purple now, right? Right, Kurious Kash?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. This is how mine's looking right now.
This is my tree. Okay, right now it's looking. This is good.
Okay, so I think the last step is to add the baking soda.
Yeah!
Are you ready? You want to do yours first?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm putting my toe.
Okay.
You gotta hold this for you, okay? Whoa. That's it? Okay, mix first, we'll add more after. Okay, we got some mine. I don't think it's ah! You can try them on here.
Make sure you don't put it in your mouth, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Try not from putting in your mouth. It's for not eat.
Yeah, fun to play with, not to eat, right?
Look at that. No, Mother!
Okay, I think we're gonna add a little bit more baking soda to
Okay.
mine. You want some baking soda in yours too?
Yeah.
Okay, you can go first.
Okay.
Okay, here you go. I'll move this out of your way, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Whoa! Okay, okay.
Put on your hand.
Thank you. Okay, mix yours together now. I think I got some baking soda in my mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, baby. These are mine.
Whoa!
Whoa. Okay,
Is yours coming together?
Yeah.
Let me try mine too.
I think this is a children's center. Get out.
Mine's becoming really thick.
Me too.
Me too.
Don't go too fast.
Why?
Because you have to go so.
Whoa.
Okay, mine. Thank you. Okay. Maybe they need to make more burger sauce.
I think you should add more baking powder, yeah.
Yeah, bigger poodle.
What's on mine? Whoa! Kurious Kash, relax.
I took too much.
Want some more in yours?
Okay.
What? There you go.
Hands!
Yeah, let's mix together. Right?
Let's go.
Whoa. Ugh.
I took a bit much. Maybe there's more mozzarella.
More? Okay, put it nicely this time, okay? I'm turning into a ghost. Put it in the bowl. There you go. Okay, put it in the bowl.
Okay.
Good job. Good job. Mix now. Mix.
Okay, let's mix.
Okay, let's
My hands
mix.
is good.
Whoa, guys, mine's really forming.
Me too.
Okay, we have to mix yours together first. Mix all of yours.
It'll go on the table.
Yeah, then we have to put it on the table.
It's all this. Wait.
Whoa, guys, look at mine.
Look at mine, though. Look at my hands.
Look at your hands. Your hands are covered in baking soda. Look, I think you should mix that part together.
Good idea.
Good idea.
Look at my house.
Whoa.
Woo!
I think I want a little bit more glitter in mine.
Me too.
That's okay.
I'm the brown one.
Which one do you want?
I'm the green one.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you.
Whoa, look how pretty this is. Come, guys, get a close-up.
Can no one want to try this first now?
Yeah, let's mix ours together now, yeah? Whoa. Ugh.
I think I need more.
You need more too? I'll help you, okay?
My.
Whoa!
Ah.
Why do you want to taste it? It's very salty.
My another.
Look, guys, mine's really forming together.
Mine. Look at my hair.
Whoa.
I wanted
I think I should get my hands dirty. I want to go in here. What about you?
I think I have to wipe it.
I don't think you're just ready to get dirty. Ugh, Okay, we're gonna just do one more mix, and then we're gonna get our hands dirty and in there, so we can really. Whoa!
Me in the bar.
Look at mine.
I'm in the bar.
I only put a little bit in one, yeah. You only put in one bowl?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mix it with your hands now, Kash.
Oh, get in there! Look! Whoa!
Oh, the body is thicker.
I'm the slime monster.
I'm the slime monster too.
What? Whoa.
I'm Sam, guys.
Keep playing it, right?
I put all of them on my gizzards.
Ugh.
I'm the slime monster.
I'm the slime monster too.
I'm the slime monster too.
Okay. Rah!
Whoa!
Are you having fun playing with your slime?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's really fun.
Look at this big ball of slime, guys.
You guys, it's a big slime.
Whoa.
Oh gosh.
Let me see your slime. What color is your slime?
I'm pink.
Pink. Are you sure?
It's purple.
Yeah, it's purple. Help me put some balls in mine too.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. I'm the slime monster.
But I'm the slime monster.
I'm the slime monster too.
What's your name?
I'm the slime. I'm the ghost.
I'm Curious Auntie, the slime monster.
I'm the ghost. Woo!
Whoa.
Guys,
I think yours can go on the table if you just mix it a little bit more.
let's get more baskets.
Let's get more balls? I can't grab any balls. My hand's dirty. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Kurious Kash. Look. Whoa.
Put some more.
Put in yours, yeah. Oh, no. Okay, you can mix yours together.
You have more balls. Oh no.
Whoa, look at that.
I have all of them.
All the balls. Yeah, mix yours together.
Ha 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 ha. What's the top? What's the top?
Yeah. Whoa.
More balls. What? Where's all the balls? Huh? Where's all the balls of the diamond? Where's all the... Oh, look at my two monsters.
Whoa, Cash.
The shine and the gold. Woo.
Whoa, yours is so cool, Kurious Kash.
Yeah. Monster two and the gold monster. Look, come on, brains. Brains.
I'm gonna touch your face. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. You win.
Yeah.
You win.
You lost.
Bye, guys. We're gonna finish playing, right?
Yeah.
Say
Bye,
thank you
guys.
for watching Kurious Kash.
Well, thank you, everyone. Thank you, Kat.
We drop videos weekly. Have a nice day, guys. Bye.
Bye.